Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to talk about focusing on a Canon 90D. Remember to enter my competition to win a Canon 7D. All you need to do is answer the question, when was the Canon 7D launched? Inbox me via my Instagram, which is located on my page, and you're possibly going to be entered, well, you will be entered for a recondition, because I don't make them new anymore, for a Canon 7D, but it's only when I hit 1,000 views, so please do subscribe. Everybody wants a free camera, don't they? So today we're talking about focus points. So if I put it in manual mode and I've got my screen, I'm going to click on the Q button, and if I click on the Q button, I am going to go to a few things. First I want to go through. I've got autofocus method. So you've got tracking. So this allows you to track an object. So you know, if an object is moving, it will track that object. Okay, and it will focus into that object. Again, if I click back on my Q button, you've got spot focus, 1-point focus, and zonal focus. So you want to select the right one for you. So if you're taking portraits, probably you want to select one of them two. If you're doing a group photo, you might want to select a zonal photo, autofocus. And if you're doing something that's moving, you probably want to select tracking. Okay, because obviously things are going to be moving around. Spot, you got a spot and servo mode. I would put it in servo autofocus mode as well. Obviously that camera does the work for you. And then you've got drive mode, which is one shot continuous. So if you're doing sports photography and you got things moving, you probably want to put it in high continuous mode, focus mode. I'm sorry, not focus mode, high continuous mode. So you take lots of pictures. Okay, to focus, to change your focus points, there's a little Q button, there's a little icon here. Click on that. This will come up, and then you can change the type of focus points you want. So this one is 1-point focus. So you can click anywhere in the screen. So if I sort of select that point there, it will focus into there. If I click here, for example, it will focus into there, and you can see there's a bit of depth of field in that shot. Okay, so that's quite useful. Again, if I click back on this button here and I change it to zonal focus, zone focus, then obviously that's selecting a wider range. So now that you can see that that's selected that, and again, if you click on certain areas in your screen, it will focus into that, and if you double click it, it will actually take a picture as well. So again, very useful. And if you want to view them, you click on here and you can see your image via this way as well. So I just basically click on that on this particular camera and just hover through the focus points by clicking on the different icons in terms of which zonal focus point I want. Okay, thanks for watching. That was a really quick one. Any questions, please do post and I'm happy to respond. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.